2022. Yes, I lived good about the summer of 2022, and it was just a way for me to save money on some natural products. And when I was working in the public school system, I needed something that could be quick and easy and fast for me to get out the door. And that's when I fell in love with this product, the protein, right? It really wasn't a home business idea at that time. But now fast forward, December 2022, that's when we launched. December 13th, we launched and went all over the world. And then I said, well, this is something that people can do easy from home. The products are priced really nicely. And, hey, we can grow this all over the world with a 33 cent a day business. That's what the funds are here for America, 33 cent a day. So it's feasible, not big auto ship. I'm not forced to buy products. And myself as a single parent, and I worked, 50 hours a week in the public school system, teaching and, working with kids from pre-K to high school years of age. And I had a great time, but it wasn't a lot of money. So I knew that I needed to add to my pay because I didn't get paid over the summertime. So having an extra stream of income to help myself over the summertime, I was really looking at maybe like 2,000 extra dollars a month or something like that, because that's about what I made teaching. Okay, so I got to work and I knew that my last teacher check was going to be the last day of May. And, from December to May, I had 6 months to help myself over the summertime and fully replaced my teacher pay income and decided to live good completely full time from home. So at the time on December 13th, I didn't even have the money to join up. I asked a credit card to add on an extra $50 to my limit so I could join because things were very tight. It was the holidays. There was only one paycheck a month. And, I had everything that I needed for my budget. And $50 was difficult for me to do. So I don't know if you know anyone in that situation, but where there's a will, there's a way. You find an avenue to create additional income with a great company, great people, great products, great prices. We got it made over here. And so I got that $50 and I instantly started telling everybody about this. Okay. I said, a company just launched out of Florida. Okay. You don't want to miss this. It's really like a 6-minute movie, okay? So anywho, I spread that message out to everybody, fast, 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 fast. Let's do it, do it, do it. And I didn't care about the no's. I didn't care about anybody, getting upset. What are you sending me? Da, 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 da. No, that doesn't matter. I wanted you to see what I have here that just launched that can help a lot of people. So I got convicted in belief like very fast, very fast. And I was like, let's do this. Let's rock this out. The perfect timing for a brand new company is when it's first 2 years. And now we're on the second year. So an income disclaimer. I don't know if somebody watching this live on a replay or what. My income disclaimer, you could be a couch potato, you could be a go-getter. There is nothing guaranteed ever here, right? It's what you do with it and the amount of work you put into it. So I took that $50 and created over right at $250,000 my first year. So I'm saying to you that it is doable, possible. You get out there, you get that work done. You don't even hear the no's. You just go through them. I'm telling you, and no means somebody not right now. They need to sit on the bench and watch for a little bit. Okay. And that's fine. If people want to get going, let's get going. Let's make the calls, make the texts, make the videos, make the reels, make the stories, make the shorts, make a YouTube, make the webinars, make the Zooms, whatever. You know what? I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. And I was tired of wondering like, oh my goodness. So, there's my $20 gas money. There's my $20 food money. So extra money brings options. You want to travel. Do you want to help your children out with their education? My daughter is able to now have her education from home, and that is not free. That is not cheap. I was done with, the free school and all of that. I wanted better. I'm saying I wanted better. I want to be able to go in the grocery store and get some of that organic food, get some of that nicer meat. I'm just saying, I just wanted better. I was tired of paycheck to paycheck. And with this avenue, Ben Galinsky, the owner of Live Good, oh my goodness, we have the best people a part of this, and Nader Kazana, Heart of Gold, and Lisa and Ryan Goodkin, the product formulators. Our corporate staff is out there brighter than day. Nobody's hiding in the bushes. And that's what's so beautiful about this, is that, they come and do the conferences, they do the training, they do the product education. They are out there brighter than day to help everybody. So, I took these every single day. I do something in my business. Do I relax and have family time? Oh, yes. My time is mine. Do I want to reach the next level? Yes, I'm reaching that next level. And I tell everybody here watching this webinar, no matter where you are, if you haven't sponsored anyone, if you don't have a single member, you can draw the line right now today and go, why do I want to do what I want to do? Okay. Working in the school with students, we taught them know the why you're doing something. Okay. And then what do you want to do to achieve that? Right. Okay, so why do you want to do it, right? Why do you want to do it? Do you want to help out your parents? Do you want to help out your family? Do you want to have a nicer home? Okay, I'm just saying, there's some of these things that, you got to figure out what's going to be so deep inside you to create that burn for you to do what you're doing and why you're doing. Now I'm in a position that I can like give back more, and that's been a wonderful thing for myself. And then really a lot of goals that I got. 2024 is going to be, if I can find a better word than amazing. 2024, we're going to do when we launch these essential oils, children's gummies coming. Oh my goodness, we got a chocolate protein shake coming. When we start to announce services, when members are going to be able to create additional income to save on their products. What are you going to do when all those things start happening? Ben Galinsky, the owner of Live Good, he mentions that we don't even have everything turned on in this whole system yet. Okay. So there's so much more coming for 2024 as long as people plug in, and plug in to this team here, because it's really happening. It is like so jamming, working so hard, and all the platinums popping and diamonds popping. Oh, wow. Man, the platinums, I was making great pay even at silver, okay, because I sponsored wide, go wide, right? I tell as many people, and then gold was great money, and then platinum. I mean, it's like Ben Galinsky has this video of me where I couldn't even get on the webinars because I was teaching math, okay? And saying, there Kelly is at platinum making several thousand a month, okay? And then boom, when diamond hit, man, diamond is like, when you get the right structure, you get the right width to a business builder, to someone that wants to grow really, really big, you want to get 100 personal wide. If those big numbers scare you, let me tell you, we got a $9.95 a month business. We don't have big product packs. It doesn't cost a lot for people to get involved. Okay. And people can shop when they want to shop. No one's forced to buy 10 jugs of coffee or 5 jugs of protein. People buy when they want to buy. That's why we're growing like crazy. And no companies can touch our quality and our prices. It's literally amazing. We have really landed on a gold mine here in Live Good. So I tell you, you got to find out that reason why you want to do something, what you're willing to do. Okay. I got up at 4:30 in the morning, worked my business for an hour, got my teenager up at 5:30, out the door at 6:30 in the morning, work all day. I may have got to answer a message on my lunch break. 4:30 when I got off work, boom, it was Live Good. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Make some Zooms, make Facebook Lives, contact every single person. Really, the timing is of the essence. It is like work quick, work fast, and yes, take that time to rest, right? And be with your families, because I tell you, when you're able to have that family meal at a nice restaurant and you go, I got this, that's a darn good feeling. That's a darn good feeling. And you gotta say, you know what, and be able to help out people, man, that's a darn good feeling. Yes, it is. Yeah, I could talk all day, but I'm telling you, you can tell that I am fired up and excited. I'm not going to waste time. We have so many people joining all over the world. I know it's my particular organization. I don't even like to say the word my, but I'm just painting a picture. I'm over 120,000 paid members on my particular leg of business. So over 121,000. Yeah, getting very, hey, we're growing all over the world. There's going to be events popping up left and right. And I'll tell you, whatever you can do to get to an event, there's Vegas, livegoodvegas.com coming in April. See what you can do. There's events popping in France, Trinidad, different parts of the whole world are going to live good this year, 2024. There's going to be so many international events popping around. So wherever you can get to an event, guess what? You can create your own. All right. So you really can. You don't have to wait for other people to do something. You can take initiative to definitely step out and do those things for your business. And y'all having these Zooms, man, that's the key. That's major. Y'all are really going places. And I look forward to seeing everyone, reach those ranks and at the events where I can shake some hands and meet each and every one of you. Thank you for having me jump on. I am so thrilled, as you can tell, right, Mr. Hassan?